Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn the last part of chapter 3, computer hardware chapter's last part, that is ports. What is port? Let us see. You can see the picture of port. Ports are used to connect external devices to the computer. These are the connecting points of various devices to the computer. They exist several types of ports like serial port, parallel port, USB port, AGB port, etc. So you might have seen at the back side of the CPU, there are so many sockets, isn't it? It looks like this way. So these sockets, these connecting points, these are known as ports. So what is the use of these ports? For connecting the external device to the computer, to the CPU. For example, keyboard connect करना हो या printer connect करना हो या monitor connect करना हो. So external devices को उस computer से connect करने के लिए. That means for connecting that external devices to the CPU, we are using these ports. Now there are different types of ports are there. So we will learn one by one. So first one is serial port. So what is serial ports? Serial ports are also called communication COM or RS-232 ports. They transfer data serially a bit at a time. That's why it is known as serial port. It looks like this way. Serial ports means it transmits one bit at a time. One character को normally 8 bits होता है. So at a time it will transfer one bit only, and that also serially. That's why the name serial port. It needs only wire to transmit 8 bits. They are in the form of 9-pin or 25-pin male connector. So some serial ports are having 9-pin connector. So this in this picture, 9-pin connector you can see. You can count this. Top 5 connectors are 5 pins are there. At the bottom 4 pins. Altogether 9 pins are there. Some serial ports 25 pin connector भी होता है. It's called a male connector. ये pin है ना, that's why it is known as male connector बोलते हैं. They are used to connect devices like a mouse, modem and printer. So these devices, for connecting these devices, we are using serial ports. Nowadays, this mouse and all that cordless mouse है, या फिर nowadays USB port use करते हैं, USB drive में, USB port में connect करते हैं. So पहले का, previous times, पहले जमाने का this mouse और keyboard ये सब connect करने के लिए serial ports use करते थे. Now let's move to the second port, that is parallel ports. So what is parallel ports? Parallel ports can send or receive a byte at a time. So parallel ports at a serial port 1 bit the, but parallel port 1 byte at a time. That means 8 bit at a time. 8 bits are transmitted parallel to each other. Serial port में serially the transfer. Here it is parallel to each other. They are in the form of 25 pin female connector. 25 pins you can count. For 25 pins are there, then female connector. That means there is no pins are not there, holes are there. That's why it is known as female connector. They are used to connect to printer, scanner, CD writer, zip drive, external hard drive, tape backup drive, etc. For all these devices, if you want to connect with the computer, then this parallel ports we can use. Let's see the next port. Next port is USB port. You're familiar with the USB port. A USB port is a cable connection interface for personal computers and consumer electronic device. USB ports are used to connect to USB devices. USB devices connect करने के लिए pen drive connect करना हो या USB cable use nowadays keyboard and mouse में भी USB connector use करते हैं, USB ports use करते हैं. They are also supply electric power across the cable to the device that is needed it. Sometimes when you will connect to your mobile with the computer, this USB connector use करते हैं. तो through that cable, mobile also automatically get charged. है ना? That's why it is known as power also pass through these cables. They are used to connect to printers, scanners, mouse, digital camera, speaker, etc. Next connector is, next port is AGB. Its full form is accelerated graphic ports. So you can see its picture, accelerated graphic ports. It is used to connect a graphic card. Graphic card को see in this place में उसमें insert करते हैं. It is used to connect a graphic card which provide high-speed video performance required in games and other multimedia applications. That means high performance monitor, high-speed graphics. If you need, then that type of monitor for video games and all that type of multimedia applications को connect करने के लिए AGP port use करते हैं. High speed graphic monitor को connect करने के लिए. Its full form is accelerated graphic port. I think it is clear. Next port is infrared port. An IR port, full form is infrared port, which sends and receive infrared signals. There is no cable connection नहीं है. Infrared signals use करके connect करते हैं. उसके लिए जो ports use करते हैं, that is called a IR port. IR is the same technology. IR is the same technology used to control a TV set with a remote control. So infrared port का best example है TV and monitor. So with the help of monitor, you can change, with the help of remote control, you can change the channel of the TV, isn't it? So this remote control and TV connection के between में कोई cable है? There is for the connection? No, there is no connection. Cable connection नहीं है. So ये remote control और TV के बीच में infrared signal use करके connection होता है. So that for that purpose IR ports we have to use. Then next is Bluetooth. I think it is very familiar to you, है ना? Bluetooth is used to interconnect mobile phones. Mobile phones को interconnect करने के लिए use करते हैं. या mobile phones with the computer also if you want to interconnect, then also nowadays computer में भी है Bluetooth facility, है ना? For that purpose. That means डिजिटल ट्रांसमिशन के लिए यूज करते हैं, डेटा ट्रांसमिशन के लिए शॉर्ट रेंज वायरलेस कनेक्शन है. मेन पॉइंट इज इट्स अ शॉर्ट रेंज बट वायरलेस कनेक्शन. Then next port is PS2 ports. PS2. PS2, its full form is Personal System 2 port, is an electronic plug found in computer. This PS2 port we can see in computer only. It accepts PS2 cables with a mini DIN connector and is used to plug in a keyboard or mouse. Keyboard और mouse connect करने के लिए कभी-कभी sometimes कुछ keyboards or mouse में भी we can see this type of connector, PS2 connector. So with the help of this connector we can connect that type of mouse and keyboard. PS2 port. So PS2 connector है तो PS2 port चाहिए. Next our last port is FireWire. So FireWire, what is FireWire? FireWire is a serial bus for connecting devices to computer. It has a single plug and socket connection on which 63 devices can be attached with a data transfer speed up to 400 Mbps. That means high speed data transmission के लिए. Suppose if you want to transmit data high speed, then you have to use this type of connector. So इसको बोलते हैं FireWire connector. I think all these ports it is clear. So thank you students, learn it.